Alkenes, methane and ethane. Alkenes are a class of organic compounds known as hydrocarbons, which means they consist entirely of carbon, C, and hydrogen, H, atoms. They are the simplest type of hydrocarbon and are sometimes referred to as saturated hydrocarbons because they contain only single covalent bonds between carbon atoms, meaning they are fully saturated. The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n+2. Homologous series of alkanes and their isomers. Molecular formula. IUPAC name. Common name. Condensed formula. Structural formula. CH4. Methane. Marsh gas. C2H6. Ethane. C3H8. Propane. C4H10. Butane. N-butane. 2-methylpropane. Isobutane. C5H12. Pentane. N-pentane. C5H12. 2-methylbutane. Isopentane. C5H12. 2,2-dimethylpropane. Neopentane. Methane. Methane is the simplest saturated hydrocarbon with a chemical formula CH2. It consists of one carbon atom bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms. Occurrence. 1. Methane is naturally produced through microbial processes during the decomposition of organic matter, particularly in marshy areas, giving rise to what is commonly known as marsh gas. 2. When petroleum is mined, natural gas is often released as a byproduct. This natural gas typically consists of approximately 70% methane, along with around 20% hydrogen and 10% ethane, propane, and butane. 3. Methane is also found in coal gas, which is encountered in coal mines. Coal gas typically contains 25 to 40% methane. 4. Gobar gas, sewage gas, and biogas are examples of gases generated through the microbial breakdown of materials like cattle dung, human excreta, garbage, and farm residues. These gases contain significant amounts of methane. Laboratory synthesis of methane gas. Chemicals required. 1. Sodium acetate, CH3COONA. 2. Soda lime, a mixture of NaOH and CaO, chemical reaction. When sodium acetate and soda lime are heated together in a hard glass test tube, the following chemical reaction occurs. Procedure. To synthesize methane gas in the laboratory, a mixture of sodium acetate and soda lime in the ratio of 1:3 is heated in a hard glass test tube. The application of heat leads to the evolution of methane gas. Collection of methane gas. Methane gas is not soluble in water, and therefore, it is collected through the method of downward displacement of water. The gas displaces the water from the test tube. Preparation of pure methane from aluminum carbide. High-purity methane can be obtained by allowing water to drip slowly over aluminum carbide, where the following reaction occurs. Methane production from methyl iodide by reduction. Methyl iodide can be reduced to methane by employing nascent hydrogen, which is generated by the action of a zinc-copper couple on ethanol, ethyl alcohol. The zinc-copper couple is prepared by placing tin metal in a copper sulfate solution. This couple is then introduced into a flat-bottom flask containing a mist of methyl iodide and 95% ethyl alcohol. The reaction results in the slow production of methane, which is collected over water. Physical properties of methane gas. Property. Description. Appearance. Methane is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Solubility. Methane, being a nonpolar covalent molecule, does not dissolve in water but is soluble in organic solvents like acetone. Density. Methane is lighter than air. Melting and boiling points. Methane has a melting point of 184 degrees C and a boiling point of 161.5 degrees C. Environmental impact. Methane has a significant impact on the greenhouse effect, reflecting heat radiation 20 times more effectively than a carbon dioxide molecule. Property. Description. Combustibility. Methane burns with a pale blue flame in excess air or oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water vapor. This combustion reaction is highly exothermic. Substitution reactions. In substitution reactions, methane's hydrogen atoms can be replaced with other atoms or groups, such as halogens. For example, chlorination occurs when methane reacts with chlorine in sunlight, leading to various chlorinated methane. Pyrolysis or cracking. When methane is heated at high temperature, 1000 degrees Celsius in absence of air, it decomposes into carbon and hydrogen. Catalytic or controlled oxidation. Methane reacts with oxygen in the ratio of 9:1 in the presence of a copper catalyst at 200 degrees Celsius and 100 atm pressure to form methanol, which can further oxidize to formaldehyde and then to formic acid. The reaction doesn't stop after producing methanol but proceed further to form methanol, formaldehyde, and finally methanoic acid, formic acid. Methane and oxygen react over molybdenum oxide at 350 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius to form formaldehyde. Important conversions of methane into useful organic compound. 1. Conversion of methane into methyl alcohol. Step 1. When a mixture of equal volumes of methane and chlorine is exposed to sunlight, chlorination occurs, leading to the formation of methyl chloride. Step 2. The methyl chloride produced in the previous step is subjected to hydrolysis using potassium hydroxide solution, resulting in the formation of methyl alcohol. 2. Conversion of methane into formaldehyde. Step 1. CH4 plus Cl to CH3 Cl plus HCl, same as in the first conversion. Step 2. CH3Cl plus K OHCH3OH plus K Cl, same as in the first conversion. 3. Conversion of methane into formic acid. Step 1. CH4 plus Cl to CH3 Cl plus HCl, same as in the first conversion. Step 2. CH3 Cl plus K OHCH3OH plus K Cl, same as in the first conversion. Uses of methane. Use. Description. As a fuel. Methane is the primary component of natural gas, used for heating, cooking, and electricity generation. It's a clean-burning fuel that reduces greenhouse gas emissions compared to other fossil fuels. In the manufacture of chemicals, methane serves as a crucial raw material in the production of various chemicals, including methanol, formaldehyde, and hydrogen. These chemicals are essential in manufacturing processes and chemical industries. Biogas production. In anaerobic digestion, methane is generated from the decomposition of organic matter, such as agricultural waste, sewage, and landfills. This methane-rich biogas can be used as a renewable energy source for electricity and heat. Ethane. Ethane is the second simplest alkane followed by methane. Its chemical formula is C2H6. It contains 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Laboratory preparation of ethane. Chemicals required. 1. Sodium propionate, C2H5COONA. 2. Soda lime, a mixture of NaOH and CaO. Chemical reaction. When sodium propionate and soda lime are heated together, they undergo a reaction, leading to the liberation of ethane gas. The reaction can be represented as follows. Procedure. To prepare ethane gas in the laboratory, a mixture of sodium propionate and soda lime is heated in a hard glass test tube. The setup is similar to the one used for methane gas preparation. Collection of ethane gas. Since ethane is insoluble in water, the collected ethane gas is obtained by the downward displacement of water from ethyl iodide by reduction. Ethyl iodide can be converted to ethane through reduction using nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen is generated by the action of a zinc-copper couple. The reaction can be represented as follows. To prepare the zinc-copper couple, zinc metal is placed in a solution of copper sulfate. This couple is then introduced into a flask containing a mixture of ethyl iodide and 95% ethyl alcohol. Ethane gas is produced gradually and collected over water. Physical properties. Physical property. Description. Appearance. Ethane is an odorless, tasteless, colorless gas. Solubility. As a nonpolar covalent compound, ethane does not dissolve in water but is soluble in organic solvents like acetone. Density. The vapors are heavier than air. Melting and boiling point. Its boiling point is 89 degrees C and its melting point is 172 degrees C. Chemical properties. Chemical property. Description. Combustibility. Ethane burns with a pale blue flame in excess air or oxygen, forming carbon dioxide and water vapor. Combustibility. Ethane burns with a pale blue flame in excess air or oxygen, forming carbon dioxide and water vapor. Substitution reactions. When ethane reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight forming ethyl chloride or monochloroethane. With excess chlorine, hydrogen atoms are gradually replaced by chlorine, producing dichloroethane, trichloroethane, tetrachloroethane, pentachloroethane, and hexachloroethane. Pyrolysis or cracking. When ethane is heated at about 500 degrees Celsius, ethane gets decomposed to give ethane and hydrogen. Catalytic or controlled oxidation. Ethane reacts with air over a copper catalyst at 200 degrees Celsius and 100 atm pressure to form ethanol, which further oxidizes to ethanol, acetaldehyde, and then to ethanoic acid, acetic acid. The reaction doesn't come to an end after producing ethanol, but proceed further to produce ethanol, acetaldehyde, and finally ethanoic acid, acetic acid. Ethane reacts with oxygen over molybdenum oxide between 350 degrees Celsius and 500 degrees Celsius to form ethanol. Conversion of ethane into valuable organic compounds. 1. Conversion of ethane into ethyl alcohol. Step 1. When equal amounts of ethane and chlorine are exposed to sunlight, a substitution reaction occurs, leading to the formation of monochloroethane. 2. Conversion of ethane into acetaldehyde. Step 1. C2H6 plus Cl to C2H5 Cl plus HCl, same as in the first conversion. Step 2. C2H5 Cl plus KOH C2H5 OH plus K Cl, same as in the first conversion. These series of steps illustrate how ethane can be transformed into various valuable organic compounds, including ethyl alcohol, acetaldehyde, and acetic acid. The reactions involve a combination of substitution, hydrolysis, and oxidation processes. Uses of ethane. Use description. As a fuel, ethane is used as a clean-burning fuel in industrial processes and as a component of natural gas for heating and electricity generation. In petrochemical industry, it is used in the production of ethylene, a crucial chemical in the petrochemical industry used to make plastics, solvents, and others.